All right, so the market's about to open right now, so we're about to start forecasting this shit. Right now I'm on USDJPY, and as you can tell, I always tend to go out to the weekly on that, and as you can tell, the weekly is just, USDJPY is just like unreal. The movement since like 2001. Imagine just holding down here and then getting all the way up to here is unbelievable. But anyway. Got on the 4 hour on that one. I'm noticing that there's a double top pattern here, so I'll just continue to watch that and see if the play sets up here at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, whenever London opens. I'll be looking at a retest of 128.54 before getting back up to that level, but I'll just basically just forecasting right now and seeing what things will, how things will play out for the next setting. So we'll just go to the next one. So pretty much what I do is just try to go through every chart in my pattern. I start out on the weekly and just kind of graph them out and see which one I want to chart up. So that one's looking nice. I'm actually in that play right there. That one's still looking nice. Okay, we had a breakdown of the support here on New Zealand USD. So we'll skip that one and figure out what's going to happen with that one. JPY, US, NZDUSD, we're still looking good. We got these downtrending shooting star candle patterns showing up here, but we'll keep watching that one because it really haven't formed anything significant that I want to keep watch of. Here, I'm actually in this play, NZD, Swissy. So I've charted it up, basically just showing all the drop potentials of this chart and actually where it's going to go down to the 61.8 on the fib setup, which is like right here. That's what I'm charting it to, and that's actually where my numbers are going to. If you look here, I have all my numbers down, setting up. Let's see what this is. This is probably was that a 1 to 6, 1 to 7? Type move, and I'm still in the trend because I picked it up from the double top pattern that it put up right here. And as you can tell, that double top showed I got in on that second candle. Once I retest, got rejected, and still in trend right now, so I'm still looking good on that one. So on the next one here, we are still in the the channel pattern on NZD, CAD, same setup. So this one is actually a 1 to 13 risk reward. That is ridiculous. I'm still in that play. Gonna keep holding on to that one. GBPUSD. We actually showed that we were going into the same trend pattern that we did here since last May. Look at that drop, that retest, that Fibonacci setup for support. Came back up to 61.8 and then it rejected every single time. It came over a little bit here, but for the most part it rejected. So in that pattern, and down here we had like a nice little head and shoulders on the 30-minute. So I was ended up charting that 30-minute pattern. Came out looking pretty good on that head and shoulders, and looks better on the 4 hour. So with that head and shoulders pattern, I was able to kind of keep that, hold on to it, and wait for it to break up. And as you can tell, I was taking these plays here, 1 to 9, pretty much all these basic setups. But anyway, we keep on going with the forecasting. GBPNZD, we're in a nice little uptrend pattern. I'm in this one. Look at that double bottom. The candle pattern shows like a morning star pattern here. So with this morning star, this is going to be a nice little keeper here. So anyway, this is just me forecasting. I got a few more charts to look at before the market actually opens. Always pretty much watch out for Sundays. Sundays have been very tricky on trying to get in place because of the whipsaw effect, as far as when New York session opens. But these are going to be swing plays that I'm in, and they're looking pretty good for the moment. If you could take this and just get an idea of these swings that I'm in, and you'll totally understand, why I'm in these swing plays. But anyway, thanks for checking out. We'll continue to post. I appreciate it.